Had someone ask me a question, is it safe for an older person to do fasting? And the answer is no. If you get over 50, it's absolutely not safe. In fact, it's very, very dangerous if you fast over the age of 50. And I'm being very, very sarcastic. It's not only safe, it is vital, it is essential that the older you get, the more you should focus on doing fasting and intermittent fasting. Why? Because it will extend your life. A lot of research has been done on animal studies, even insects, even bacteria. If you restrict the frequent eating, they live longer. And because of all the massive benefits of fasting, it can definitely extend your life as well. It activates anti-aging genes. It can help rid so many health problems that occur when you get older. Obesity, inflammation, high blood pressure, dementia. And the biggest thing that fasting can do for someone that's older is repair, DNA repair, mitochondria repair through what's called autophagy. Autophagy is a condition in your body, it's a natural condition that occurs when you fast. And what occurs is your body recycles old damaged proteins and microbes. And from even the standpoint of cancer, cancer comes from damaged mitochondria. And the more you can get rid of and recycle damaged mitochondria, the less risk you have for cancer. And autophagy does just that. It will actually get rid of damaged tissue that your body doesn't need. And cancer is on the top 10 list of things that kill people. And so is heart disease. So fasting is great for the heart because it will increase ketones, and your heart and your brain love ketones way more than glucose fuel. And so fasting helps repair heart tissue and brain tissue. When you fast, you stimulate something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is kind of like miracle grow for the brain. So you regenerate neurons in certain parts of your brain. And the other thing that fasting does is it increases your antioxidant network. Your body starts making massive quantities of antioxidants, which you need to reduce free radical damage to your DNA and also to repair the lining of the vessels in the heart. And so there is no good reason to eat frequently. There is no good reason to not fast, especially as you age. Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call. But I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.